Hey, let me put y'all on to something real quick. This is for all my folks that, you got somebody in your family with a Ram, well, a new Ram, or you got a Ram as a second pickup, or you're about to get a Ram, and you want to get that phone mount in that Ram. Okay, I got you. So check it out. Y'all know how much in my Gladiator over there, I love my dash bar from PBI Customs. But unfortunately, they don't make the dash bar for this Ram. So guess what? I went to a company that makes a good product. And everybody's out there got them. There's a whole lot of Jeeps out there running these from this company, and it's a good product. I ain't got nothing bad to say about it. It's a great product, actually. And they make it for the Ram, and I'm gonna put it in my dad's Ram. And what it is, hey, guess what? Bulletproof. Bulletproof for the Ram, and my dad's driving a big horn, but it doesn't matter, they're all models. The dash is the same, it doesn't change. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this in. It's not that complicated. Got some 3M tape right there, 2 screws. It ain't that complicated. So let's get into it. First thing you want to do is, if you like my dad, you had a whole bunch of junk up there. You want to take all your spare change, paper clips, and your chewing gum and everything out of there, and just reach in there and grab that. Rubber cover comes out, right? Then if you notice the screws are missing, that's because I already took them out. Put your screws in your little slots right there. Got to work them up in there, get them in the slot. You go in there and remove the old special super stickum 3M tape. And the reason I'm putting this in here is because my dad used to be one of these old school guys that believed in the flip phone, y'all. So we got him to upgrade to a flip phone. And when he upgraded to the flip phone, it was almost like the next best thing since sliced bread once he learned to use it. That's the big part of it right there, learning to use it. So you line these holes up right here. And once he learned to use it, he realized he kind of liked it. And then I got him to start using Google Maps more. Now, he wants to use it more often. So, y'all know how I am. I'm one of these type of people that buy stuff for a purpose. And he really needed a phone mount to. There we go. One of the things that he really needed was a phone mount. And got him this phone mount, bulletproof, and I'll put it in here for him so he can put his maps right in his face. Man, that's nice right there. There you have it. That's how it sits in there. 2 screws, ain't 3M tape, ain't that complicated. Like I said, nothing complicated. That was it. Fits, looks good, got a purpose, which is what I like. I'm about to clean it up, make it look good for him. And they give you all the tools you need to make it work. Screwdriver, star wrench if you need it, extra pieces, stickers, and they give you a bottle opener. So give you everything you need and a couple extras. So yeah, buy one for your friend, buy one for somebody in your family as a gift, like I did for my dad. Make it happen. That's it. Y'all stay safe. Don't forget to smile. Go out and change your life. Peace out, y'all.